Choosing the right print-on-demand niche is one of the biggest problems that merchants face in their print-on-demand businesses. That's why I bring to you the second episode of Top Print-on-Demand Niches. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you tips and insights into picking the right niches for Q4. We all know that Q4 brings in the most sales for print-on-demand sellers. That's why it's important that we choose the right niches so we make the most money in this Q4 season. If you're a subscriber, you know that I'm a Vexels lifetime subscriber, and because of that I have access to the Vexels Merch Digest. If this is the first time you're watching my video, you're welcome. I'm just gonna put up a YouTube card so you can update yourself with. Let me just go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, merch advice for Q4. Keep hammering. The first advice is that people keep asking for Christmas design, and the Vexels team is saying that they don't recommend it because as soon as Christmas ends, those Christmas designs or the sales to those Christmas designs is going to end. So they don't recommend you putting too much Christmas designs up for sale. The second thing they will be advising, or the Vexels team is advising, is putting up more gift t-shirt designs. For example, hobbies and occupations like nursing, teaching, animal care, plant care, fitness, food, and lifestyle. The next advice is that we should think more of hobbies like cycling, hiking, running, and more. Then don't forget health and nutrition, as most people make their goals or their new year goals such as health and nutrition. So you should put up more designs like that. The next thing they talked about is an interview with a YouTuber, a very successful Vexels YouTuber, and he was giving tips and insights into how he became successful. So I'm just going to be sharing you a few things that I think will be helpful for you. Okay, the first question the Vexels team asks is, what's the best advice to break through the first sale and keep on selling steadily? So his response was that he has many strategies. The first strategy is that you can ask your friends or family to buy your designs. The second strategy is to make sure you have good quality designs. The third strategy is focusing on trends and holidays. I've said that several times on this channel, so that is very important. The next strategy is to find t-shirt buyers on social media, especially Facebook and Twitter, and offer your services. Type where can I buy this t-shirt and you'll be surprised by the number of people looking to buy certain designs. Next, you can make designs for Facebook groups that focus on particular niches. Look on Facebook for people organizing events and offer to design for them. Market your designs on social media, including Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Collaborate with social media influencers. Focus entirely on pop sockets, phone cases initially because they are really good sellers and there are a lot of opportunities to be unique and stand out from the crowd. Okay, so they were asking if the Vexels team was asking if Merch by Amazon is the only platform that he sells on. He says no, he has other platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, TeePublic, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, Society6, Fine Art America, KDP, and a few others. If you're a subscriber, you know that I hammer on using Flying Upload to upload your design automatically to all these platforms. If this is the first time hearing about Flying Upload, I will put up a card so you can go watch it and update yourself. And I'm also going to leave links in the description so you can learn more about Flying Upload. So the Vexels team asks, you've been selling for years, what is the main advice you give yourself if you're just starting? And his response was, be convinced that there's definitely great money to be made in print on demand and claim your own piece of the pie. Which would you say is the main reason why majors fall off from their t-shirt business and how they can counter that? His response, I would say that the main reason is lack of focus, lack of confidence in themselves and their abilities, lack of evidence that they can actually make money doing it. Which is the best merch advice you've been given? Focusing on tearing it up in the beginning rather than making a profit, because merch is a numbers game. Like I've always like I've explained before, that the best strategy is for merch as well as KDP, because in this channel I do tutorials for print on demand merch and print on demand KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. So for platforms like Merch by Amazon, where you control your pricing, the strategy that I use is by posting my designs at 1307. That's the lowest price that you can charge on your product, and it has zero profits. Don't worry about that. The thing that I'm most concerned is that is that the design has a sale, and once it has a sale, that means it's gonna be left on the platform for life. And once I have a sale and I have a rating, that's when I increase the price from 1307 to 1499. If I keep having sales, I increase from 1499 to 1599. If the sales reduce, I leave it there for a while. If the sales pick up, I increase. So that's basically how I do it. For KDP, I start with 499 if I'm not going with the expanded distribution. But if I'm going with expanded distribution, I price it at 599. And when I have one rating, the first rating, I increase from 499 or 599 to 699. And if the ratings keep increasing, I increase it. So that's my pricing strategy, and I think is the best. So next question, design wise, what would you recommend to up and coming merchants, and what would you recommend for veterans who want to step it up? His response, for up and coming merchants, I would strongly advise them to learn to design instead of always relying on designers. I strongly agree with what he's saying, because take for example, when a trend just pops up, you need to put up a design right away. And although Vexels offers design request, this can take about a couple of days for the design to come back. And trends is a numbers game. If you're the first person to upload your design to whatever platform and a customer sees it and buys it, you're setting yourself up for success, because your design is gonna be the first to be ranked under that trend or the keyword, and you're gonna make more sales. That's one of the reasons why I love Vexels, because not only do they provide designs for you, but they also provide designs that you can scale up. I'm going to talk more of that in my next video. They have templates where you can edit the words and pictures, so that's why Vexels is best for, both for people who don't have design skills as well as designers, because they can just quickly pick up that template and edit, and you have the possibility of producing hundreds and hundreds of designs from just one template. So I'm going to talk about more of that in the next video. The next question, given the pandemic this year, how do you feel it has impacted the shopper's behavior? He says that if you're not already doing it, start selling custom design print on demand face masks as soon as you can, which you can sell on Etsy and many other print on demand platforms. And he says you can easily get some awesome patterns or ready-made designs from Vexels. Put them on face masks and watch the sales roll in. On the same note, start making pandemic-related designs for evergreen niches, holidays, and celebrations, either by including pandemic-related keywords in your design quote like virtual or virtually, or by pandemic-related graphic elements like face masks within your design. What would be your best advice going into this holiday season? The best advice would be to focus on one of the main current trends, which is the pandemic, and find ways to to cross niche it with Halloween, cancer awareness, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. And don't discount evergreen niches, especially designs that can be gifted to family members, sports teams, or co-workers. Alright guys, that was it about the interview. It was a great interview. That interview summarizes everything you need to know about the print-on-demand business. So it's important that you take those tips into action. Don't just... So for November niche opportunity dates, the first is November 1st, World Slogan Day, November 3rd, Sandwich Day, November 11th, Origami Day, November 16th, Clarinet Day, November 17th, Homemade Birthday, November 23rd, Espresso Day, November 23rd, again, Fibonacci Day. So guys, that was it for this video. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Like I said before, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I produce hundreds of designs with just one template that I get from Vexels. It's a very easy process, and the tool I use is free, so that should excite you. So guys, see you on the next one. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.